So in Monday second video, I start exercise number 5.2. So why I am teaching the 5.2 afterwards after completing the 5.4 means 5.2 and 5.5 are related exercise for you. So I am going to teach the 5.2 after the continue after 5.2 I completed. I am going to go to 5.5. So I start the 5.2 now conics. Already told you what is conics. We take the four type shapes we studied. What are the four shapes we studied? Circle, ellipse, circle, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Circle. Second one is what? Parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. Now we deeply discuss about the with a graph. With a graph we learn about the ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. What is the definition of conics? Conics. A conics is a locus of a point which moves in a plane. Locus is nothing. Moving point is nothing but what? Plane. Moving point is a locus. So a conics is the locus of a point which moves in a plane so that the distance from a fixed point. The distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio. The distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line. Distance between the fixed point and the fixed line. Say that one very carefully. Listen. So the distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio, never change. Constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line, not containing the fixed point, not fixed line, not containing the fixed point. Say again one more time and say a conics is a locus of a point, moving point, which moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point bears a constant ratio to its distance from a fixed line, not containing the fixed point. That fixed point is called the focus. Focus is nothing but what? This is very important. The fixed point is called the focus. The fixed line is called the directrix. Fixed point is focus. Fixed line is what? Directrix. And the constant ratio is eccentricity, and it is denoted by E. These are very important for this exercise. The fixed point is called what? Focus. And the fixed line is called what? Directrix. And the constant ratio is called what? Eccentricity, which is denoted by E. Suppose if the constant E equal to 1, the fixed ratio, E is what? Constant ratio. The constant ratio is E equal to 1 means the conic is called parabola. The constant ratio is called eccentricity. That eccentricity value is denoted by E. That suppose the constant value is E equal to 1 after calculating the constant ratio eccentricity is 1 means the conic is called a parabola. If the constant E less than 1, that is negative, less than 1, the eccentricity is less than 1 means the conic is called a ellipse. Less than 1 means what? The conics is called a ellipse. If the constant E greater than 1, more than positive value, if the constant E greater than 1, then the conic is hyperbola. These are asking in the 1 mark question. So the fixed point is called what? Focus. The focus, the fixed line is called directrix, and the constant ratio is called eccentricity, and that eccentricity is denoted by E. Suppose the E value after calculating the constant E equal to 1, the conic is called a parabola. If this constant E less than 1, that is negative value, then the conic is called a ellipse. If this constant E greater than 1, then the conic is called a hyperbola. See, book itself given briefly for about the introduction, so I will explain after I come to the exercise sums. So general equation of the conics. What is the general equation of the conics? Suppose see the figure. This is what P be any point. P be any point. S is the focus of the point. P be any point. P of x comma y. P be the any point. S is the focus. Say listen. Let S of x1 comma y1 be the focus. This is the focus. X1 comma y1 is the focus point. Next L is the directrix. Which is L? This is the straight line. The straight line is L. L is the directrix. See that one. L is the directrix. And the point E. And E be the eccentricity. E be the eccentricity. Which one? See listen. S is the focus. S is the focus. Focus of x1 comma y1. S is the focus of x1 comma y1. L be the directrix. E be the eccentricity. We are taking, let S be the focus, L be the directrix, E be the eccentricity. Okay, what is mean the eccentricity? Then only explain that one. Let P be any point. P be any point. P be the moving point. S is the focus. This is the fixed point. Fixed point is called a focus. P be the moving point. X comma y is the moving point. This is the standard point. Locus. This is fixed point. Focus is nothing but already told you. What is it? The fixed point is called the focus. S is the focus. Focus is nothing but what? Focus. That is fixed point. Fixed point. P be the what point? Moving point. P be the moving point. So Let S be the focus, L be the directrix. This L, the straight and L is what? Nothing but what? Directrix. L is the directrix. E be the eccentricity. Let P of x comma y, the point P of x comma y be the moving point. By the definition of conic, what is the conic? Say, what is E? E is nothing but what? Fixed SP, which is S. This is S. Focus from what? Moving point. The distance between the focus and the moving point. So SP by PM. Go to the directrix. This is the constant line. So SP by PM. S is the fixed point, P is the moving point. The distance between the moving point, focus point, and a what point? Moving point. What is that? What is conic? The conic is a focus which moves in a plane. The distance from the fixed point gives a constant ratio. It's a distance from the fixed line, not containing the fixed point. That is nothing but the distance between the what point? Focus fixing point and moving point. The distance between the fixing point and that is SP by PM. PM is moving point to the directrix. It's not from the focus. SP by PM. SP by PM equal to constant. That constant is denoted by E. SP by PM. SP by PM equal to E. Already we told E equal to 1 means the equation of conic is what? Parabola. E is less than 1 means the equation become what? Ellipse. E is greater than 1 means the equation become, that is eccentricities become what? Hyperbola. Now SP by PM, this is very very important. SP by PM. SP moving fixed point to the moving point. SP by PM equal to constant. Yes, the distance between SP by PM equal to constant, equal to E. Then SP equal to, apply the distance formula, x minus x1 the whole square plus y minus y1 the whole square. PM is nothing but what our PM? PM is perpendicular distance from the point P of x comma y. PM is perpendicular distance from the point P of x comma y. P of x comma y to the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. This is the line. This is what? PM is what? PM equal to perpendicular distance from the P of x comma y to the line. Perpendicular distance PM is, what is PM? Perpendicular distance from P of x comma y to the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. That is nothing but what? Modulus of Lx plus My plus n by root of L square plus M square. The squaring on both sides, SP square equal to E square into PM square, because SP by PM equal to E. Therefore SP square equal to E square into PM square. What is our E? E is nothing but what is our SP? SP is what? X minus x on the whole square plus y minus y. Square means what? The square root should be cancelled. The square root should be cancelled. We get what? X minus x on the whole square plus y minus y on the whole square equal to U square into PM. This is nothing but what? PM. PM square. Lx plus My plus n by root of L square plus M square the whole square. So after what? On simplification, the above equation get the second degree equation. We get, don't want this calculation, understand that one. B square minus 4AC equal to 0. That is E equal to 1 means the conic is parabola. B square minus 4AC less than 1. If and only if that E lies between 0 and 1. E lies between 0 and 1. The conic is what? Ellipse, not negatively. E eccentricity lies between 0 and 1. The conic is ellipse. Suppose B square minus 4AC greater than 0. This if and only if what? E greater than 1. The conic is what? Hyperbola. Now we learn about this class. We are mostly learn about the parabola. We learn about parabola. See the diagram parabola. Since E equal to 1, for a parabola we know that the parabola is the locus of a point in a plane that are equidistant from the directrix and focus. Equidistant from the directrix and focus. What I tell you, see, listen here. Equation of the parabola in the standard form with the vertex 0, 0. Equation of parabola in standard form is nothing but what? Y square equal to 4ax. Equation of parabola in standard form is y square equal to 4ax. Equation of parabola in the standard form with a 0. If the vertex will become origin means what is y square equal to 4ax. See, listen here. See that works is clearly given in book. Explain in the book itself. This is what axis? X axis. This is what? Y axis. X axis, Y axis. Y square equal to 4x means the curve is what? A rightward curve. Having the 4 types of parabola. What are the 4 types? Means leftward, rightward. This is first one is for rightward curve, leftward curve, upward curve, downward curve. Only first we learn about the rightward curve. So S is the focus. What is SSC? Listen here. This is the vertex. Vertex is nothing but the origin. Vertex is nothing but what? Origin. This is the parabola. Parabola in the what curve? Y square equal to 4ax is nothing but the parabola in the rightward curve. Origin is what? 0, 0. The focus is a, 0. From the origin having some distance. So a, 0. From x-axis. Y-axis there is no movement. So a, 0. This is focus. Next, the line passing through the focus. The line passes through the focus is nothing but what? Latus rectum. The line passing through focus is called latus rectum. That is latus rectum. The opposite to the latus rectum is nothing but what? Directrix. See, these are equal distance. That only given in the book. So, what is the equal distance from the directrix and the focus? From the origin, focus. What distance between the origin and the focus, as well as distance between the origin and the directrix is the equal distance. Suppose this is 4 units, means this also distance between the origin and the focus is 4 units. Distance between origin and directrix also what unit? 4 units, but in opposite direction. The direction is nothing but the opposite side of the what? Focus. Where is the focus is placed? That is the opposite side of focus is called a directrix. So let's see, listen. S be the focus and L be the direction. So what is S be the focus? That is we taken as a, 0. Because it is some little bit distance move from the origin. That is a distance. There is no movement in the y-axis. Therefore S is for nothing but a, 0. Here what is the equal distance? Already I told you distance between the origin and the focus as well as origin and directrix is the equal distance. So this opposite to the directrix is called what? Opposite to the focus is called directrix. Now S be the focus and L be the directrix. Draw S is set perpendicular to the line. We draw the S is set, which is S. This is a S. This is a Z. Draw S is Z perpendicular to the line L. If you draw a line for the perpendicular to S is Z, we draw a line, straight line. That is called the directrix. That only. So S is the produce x-axis and the perpendicular bisect S is the produce y-axis. So not everything is not necessary. See this one. This is S is the focus. And this is the moving point. The line passes through the focus is nothing but what? Latus rectum. The opposite of focus is called what? Opposite of focus is called what? Directrix. The distance between the origin and the focus as well as distance between the origin and the directrix is having the equal distance. This is x-axis. What is symmetry is this is symmetric about x-axis because the parabola the parabola lies inside the x-axis. So this is the symmetry is about x-axis. Now, first one is what? Leftward curve. Second one is, first one is the rightward curve. First one is the rightward curve. Second one is the what? Leftward curve. First rightward curve, what is the vertex h, k? What is the focus? Focus is what? S is the focus, h plus a, k. 0 plus k or k. 0 plus means what is? Now there is no y-axis, move from the y-axis, h plus a, k, y equal to k. What is this h plus a? The same opposite sign, h minus a for the equal directrix. Latus rectum is what? 4a. Similarly, what curve? Next one is what? Leftward curve. Leftward curve is what? The same thing. Which one is difference? Only minus only difference. H, the vertex is same, h, k. Focus is here, h plus a for the rightward, h plus a for the rightward. Leftward is what? H minus a. This is h minus a, k, 0 plus k. This are the axis. Both are symmetric about what axis? X axis. Therefore, symmetric about x axis, y equal to k. Here also y equal to k. The focus is h minus a, means what is our directrix? Directrix is what? Nothing but x is equal to h plus a. Latus rectum is what? The same, 4a. Next, we discuss about the upward curve as well as the downward curve. Upward curve is what? X square. Remember it. Always start in the left, means what? Left side and right side and left side is y square equal to 4ax is the right word. Y square equal to minus 4ax is leftward. Similarly, x square equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4a is the upward curve. So instead of x, what you are substituting? Instead of replace x, x minus h. X minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. So instead of x, you substitute what? X minus h the whole square. Instead of x, you substitute x minus h the whole square equal to 4. Instead of 4, you substitute what? Y minus k. This is the, if it is passes through the origin, means the formula is what? X square equal to 4ay. Other is what? X minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k the whole square. The same only. See that one. This is what axis? X axis, y axis. Afterwards, that h comma k, that you move from the origin. This is the origin. The origin is 0 comma 0. Suppose h comma k means the point is what? 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4, like that only. To move from the origin. So h comma is nothing but what? Not only 0 comma 0, having somewhere anywhere anywhere in the part up anywhere in the first quadrant. So you have the 3 comma 4, 2 comma 1, like that only. That is the vertex. A is h comma k. What is our focus is what? H comma a plus k, because it not move from x axis, it move from y axis. So that is nothing but what it is? It is some distance from y axis. Therefore h comma 0 plus h comma a plus k. What is our axis of symmetry? This is what axis? Y axis. Symmetric about y axis. X is equal to h. X means h. Keep it in mind. X is h. X is equal to means h. Y equal to means k. This is symmetric about what axis? Y axis. Therefore x is equal to h. What is our latest rectum? Opposite to the symbol. This is what? K plus y, a plus k. That is y equal to what? K minus a. Y equal to k minus a. What is the length of the latest rectum? The same 4a. Length of the rectum is never change. The same 4a. For about in the right word, left word, upward, downward, the length of the rectum is never change because the distance is same. This is the what curve? This is the what type of curve? This is nothing but what curve? Upward curve. Upward curve. Next, another one is what? Downward curve. Here also downward. The curve about downward, left downward. So this is what? X square equal to minus 4ay. X square equal to minus 4ay. Instead of x, replace what? X square equal to minus 4ay. So instead of x, replace x minus h the whole square equal to x minus h the whole square equal to minus 4a into y minus k. See the diagram. This is downward curve. What is the vertex? Vertex is what? A of h comma k. Focus is some distance. Move from some distance. S of h comma k minus a, because downward. Downward means k, because downward means minus, upward means plus. So h comma k is the what? Vertex is the same. Vertex is same. What is our focus is h comma minus a plus k or k minus a. Usually we say k minus a. This is k plus a, k minus a. Similarly, h comma, because this is what curve? Downward curve, symmetric about what axis? Y axis. So h comma minus a plus k or k minus a, whatever you say, h comma k minus a. X is equal to h, because it's symmetric about what axis? Y axis. X is equal to h. What is our focus? Focus is opposite symbol. Minus a plus k, that is k minus a is nothing but y equal to what? K plus a. Y equal to k plus a. This is what is our latest rectum? Latest rectum is nothing but what? The same 4a. You see one more sample, I draw it. You also practice how to draw the parabola in the leftward curve, rightward curve, upward curve and downward curve. What is the equation? Equation is what? Y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus a. That is y square equal to 4x. If it is passes through the origin, means what? There is no k value 0, h value 0. What is our y? Y square equal to 4ax. That is the standard form. If it is passes through the origin, y square equal to 4x. That is y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. See the diagram how to draw. This is what? X axis. Generally, you draw the x axis and y. See the graph. You try to draw the graph. If you understand the graph, means easily able to understand everything. So if you practice to draw the graph, how to draw. So this is what axis. Normally x axis first you draw. After A is what? What is the A? A is nothing but what? Focus. A is focus. Focus is what? Sorry, vertex. A is the vertex. H comma k, not focus. A is the vertex. H comma k. Focus is what? It from the it is some more distance leave from the vertex. A is the vertex. Vertex means that parabola passes through the vertex. Parabola passes through the vertex. Vertex means and point to the pass average. So the parabola passes through the vertex, that is h comma k. To move from some distance is what? Focus. Yes, that is the move. S is the fixed point. This is the vertex. S is the fixed point. That is the focus. Focus is nothing but a fixed point. See that diagram. So h comma k is the vertex. S is what? H, it is move from some distance from x axis. X is always, keep it as a h always x, k always y. So move from x axis. So h plus a comma k. H plus a comma k. A is the what? Vertex. S is the focus. The focus, the opposite side, this is nothing but what? The line passes through the focus. I draw the line here. The line passes through the focus is what? The line passes through the focus is what? Latus rectum. The line passes through the focus is latus rectum. Opposite to the latus rectum is what? Directrix. Opposite to the latus rectum is directrix. Suppose the focus h plus a means this is x. What is our directrix? Directrix x is equal to h minus a. This is plus means this is opposite symbol. Here positive, like h plus a means this is the opposite sign. So h minus a. X is equal to h minus a. Understand what is vertex, what is focus, directrix, latus rectum. After equation is what? Y square equal to 4x. Instead of y, substitute y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. See the diagram. Same thing I draw for your for sample. I draw it. You also try to draw that one. Vertices what? H comma k. Focus is what? The same h plus a comma k. Axis of symmetry is what? Y equal to k. Equation directrix is what? X is equal to h minus a. X is equal to h minus a because the focus h plus a means opposite. X is equal to h minus a. Length of the latus rectum is what? The same 4a. Length of the latus rectum is same 4a. Similarly, I am going to draw the leftward curve. Saw the leftward curve. Y minus k the whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus x. That is what? Y square equal to minus 4x. Y square equal to minus 4x. This is a left. Ordinary, first you draw the x axis, y axis. See the diagram. Just I recall for the diagram only. This is what axis? X axis, y axis. Afterwards, this is the vertex. This is minus y square equal to y minus k the whole square equal to minus 4a. This symbol minus. See, the depends upon the symbol. Only minus. That suppose plus coming means it is the rightward curve. Minus coming means it is the what? Leftward curve. This is the leftward curve. This is the vertex. A of h comma k is the vertex. This is the focus. Focus is S. S is the focus. H minus a comma k. For rightward h plus a. This is what? H minus a. H minus a comma k. The opposite to the focus is what? Directrix. Directrix is nothing but this is h minus a. This is opposite symbol. X is equal to h plus a. X comma y. First in a symbol is x. First coordinate x. Second is y. Similarly, for graphical notation, what is that one? Keep it in mind. This is x. This is y. Instead of x here having what? H minus a comma k. Opposite to the focus is nothing but what? Directrix. Therefore x is equal to what? H plus a. The vertex a, focus a, next one directrix a, passing through the focus. This is for, suppose this is focus means the line is not this one. The line passing through the focus is, this is S. Focus is nothing but what? Latus rectum. What is the equation of the graph? Y minus k the whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So the same thing. Vertices is what? H comma k. What is our focus? H minus a comma k. Y equal to k. Axis of the symmetry. X is equal to what? H plus a. Length of the latus rectum is what? 4a. So everything neatly given in the book. You try to draw like that. What I taught, what I draw and taught like that. You try to draw and learn yourself. Then only easily understand for your conics, for parabola, especially parabola. Parabola only having 4 types. After learning the parabola, you are going to learn about the ellipse and hyperbola. So first you learn, you clearly understand the parabola very well. Thank you, students.